going to be running 1/2-inch conduit. Yeah, we'll be going in the same ditch as the water line. Back out to here, where we will be digging a footing, pouring the concrete, and putting the welcome light post in. Alright, so I need to make a form to pour the concrete. Just went down and I purchased a 1x8. So remember, this is not two-dimensional lumber, so it's 3/4 by 7/4. Alright, I need to make 2 at 13.5 and 2 at 12 to make a square 12-inch form. Alright, now 2 at 12. What are you doing with the ball? Alright, now we'll put it together. Measure up 3/8, which is 1/2 3/4. Line. Alright, we're just going to pre-drill a couple holes. Alright, form is done. We'll fill that with concrete after we get it in place. Not going to take much. That's all we need. Alright, now I'll get some braces on it. Didn't have it aimed up here, but plumb that way. Plumb that way. Alright, so we'll just let it set up. Alright, and the electrician will be along to pull the wire. Tools are all cleaned. And as I showed you, that's ready to go for the electrician. So we'll let it set up for a couple hours. He should be here a little bit later. Hey everyone, this is Dave. There's Ray. We have a secret guest today. Does not want to be on camera. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put up the lights here. So let me just run through what we're going to do. We got to pull another wire here. We're going to put an outlet down here on the pole. We got 2 lights up there we're going to put up. And then we're going to put a photo cell right here. All right. So we'll just show you when we're done, because now the guy doesn't want to be on film. So we'll just show you when we're done. Concrete, if I use the longer screws there. How much you want on this end? Alright, so that is done. The light is up. It works beautifully. Ray and I are getting ready to do these lights here. We're not going to film that because you've seen us. We've done episodes on putting up exterior lights. So we'll just show you when it's all done. And then, of course, the photo cell is over here. The only thing I have left to do is I need to run a bead of caulking across here and then down the side, because that'll leak if you don't. But I'm not going to use white. That's all I've got. I'll have to get some kind of colored caulking for that. So that's the only thing left to do on that. So the wife should be very happy with that. So we'll bring you back when we're done with this, and then we got another video today. We're going to be putting up some security cameras. All right, so we got the lights up. We didn't want to bore you with that, but there they are. They match that.
Hey, thanks for joining us. If you like what we're doing, hit that like button and please subscribe. Have a good day.